Welcome to Stepwise with Dr. Bob. Let's go ahead and look at today's Sumplete. I made this video yesterday just to remind you this 7 by 7 grid of numbers, and you're given the sums of certain numbers that are going to, certain numbers are going to be used within the 7 by 7 block to make up sums along the rows and columns. Your task is to X out or circle the numbers that are going to be actually used within the puzzle. Okay. So a lot of times I'll look for um, very, very low numbers, low sums to eliminate the higher numbers, very, very high sums to um, eliminate or select the numbers that are going to be needed. Because if it's a very high number, there's maybe only one or two of the numbers within the row or column that are going to be used. Um, Occasionally, as we saw yesterday, there's an even sum with only one odd number in the group. That's obviously a pretty obvious sign that the odd number is not used. So you just kind of look for numeric logic to reason your way through what is and isn't part of the puzzle. So let's give it a shot. So here, 7 column and 7 row both have possibilities for every number in it, so can't do much there. This 30, I've got 6, 12, 20, 31, 35. So the 8, the 6, oops, those all have to be in it because we have to eliminate 5, which means that has to be in it. I can double check if that's correct. My math was correct because when I X this out, it gives me a bold there. I do race the clock, so I am not going to explain every single thing I'm doing. Um, let's see. Can't eliminate anything on this row for 10. This 26 over here, 9, 16, 21, 33. I gotta get rid of a 7, right? Okay, so I can't get rid of that. Everything else could potentially go. Um, sorry. Oops, I bumped something. I guess that's good because I was checking something on my phone. Um, 12 plus 11, 23, 33, 36. I got to get rid of 13 here. Yeah, I can do that two different ways. A lot to potentially eliminate here. Oh, the 38. I should have looked at that first. 29, 38. I got to get rid of a 7. Can't do it with that. 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 There's no 2. All right, that helps a lot. I need 14 here. I think that's only going to happen with 7 and 7 or 5 and 9. 1 is going to give me 12, and then there's no way I can get 13. So I um, I can eliminate the 1, which means I have to eliminate that 1 because I got to get up to 18. Um, Over here, 17, I need 6 more, which means I can get rid of this. This one, 17, I need 6 more, which means I can get rid of that and that, and I'm done. 12, I need 11 more. Two different ways to do that. 2, I need 8 more. I can't do that with that. There's still a lot of different ways I can do the 7 here. The 9 here could be done a lot of different ways. I'm gonna pause again really quickly. Sorry, I gotta We have this 11 now. Must be that for 14. This 5 is going to need a 4. I can't do that with that 2. Um, oh, this one, 12, 21. I need 2 more, right? Yeah, that finishes up that. 8. I need to eliminate 8, and that's the only way I can do that. That's done there. That's done there. 14, I need 12 more. A few ways to do that. 7's done. Need the 4 there. That's done. Now this 14 needs 12 more, which is going to need the 7 and the 1. That's going to need the 1 that finishes that. That finishes that. This 9 needs 3 more. That finishes that, and we finish. There we go. Minute 27 faster than average. All right. Well, there you go. That's Sumplete. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.